cybersecurity program here at the Harkness Career Center is a program that really helps students enter into a cutting-edge field where they can make a lot of money doing something that they really love. Typically, students in this field excel because they love what they do, and they've gotten jobs in large and small companies alike, both locally and nationally.
In high school, you're prepared for the test, while here they're preparing you for real life.
You get to practice on equipment that you would use in the industry, and it allows people like me to turn a hobby into a career. I would recommend this program to others if they're looking to get in more into computer science and they want to learn a specialized skill that has great job security.
If you love technology and you work hard, your limits are endless.